Next, see cube and cube root. Cube. Cube, you know that. How we'll find out cube? If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of the number. See the example, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 125. This is the method to find out cube. It is a simple method. By multiplying you can find out cube. Now next, find out cube root. Now cube you know to find. Now we will see how to find out cube root of any number. Now it can be found by factorization method. We have seen this last year also. We have seen not cube root, square root we have seen by factorization method. What we will do in this? Factors we will take of that number by dividing it smaller number starting with 2, 3 like this. Then finding the prime factors of that number. By factorization method we will get prime factors of that number. Then grouping the same numbers. For square root what we will do? Group of 2 we will make. Now for cube root we have to make group of 3. Now see. Question practice set 3.3. Some numbers are given as question. See 1 to 6 numbers are given. From this 2 or 3 I will explain you. Remaining you have to complete. Third one we'll see 343. How will find out cube root of 343? See, we will make factorization. Like this way also, vertical method also you can use. It will be easy. Now 343. In directly it is the odd number. So directly we will take 7. 7 4s are 28. Then remaining 6. 7 9s are 63. Again 43 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. Now factors we got 7 into 7 into 7. So 3 times 7 we got. Now cube root. Cube root of 343 is 7. Next, see this one. Fifth one it is. Minus 2744. Now for some time we will keep this minus sign aside and only consider 2744. Now we'll see how to factorize it. Now we will start with 2. Divide by 2 for this number. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Remaining 1. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. Again 2. 2 6s are 12. 1. 2 8s are 16. Remaining 1. 2 6s are 12. Again 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Again 343. Directly by 7 you can divide. 4 and 9. 7 1s are. Now factor of this 2744 factor is 2 multiplied by 2 7 7 7. Now see 2 came 3 times, 7 came 3 times. So group of this 2 and group of 7. So you have to take one number from this. 2 multiplied by 7. So your answer will be 14. Now here you have to give minus sign. Because for cube root, see how it came, minus sign. Cube root of minus 2744. It is 14 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. So minus, minus, minus. When you will give minus sign all the times, 14 into 14, it came plus. Then again if you will multiply with minus 14, the answer will come in negative. So your answer came in negative. See, these rules you have to keep in mind. See here, square root of negative number is square root. Square root of negative number is positive. When you will take square root, it will be positive. But if you will take cube root of negative number, it is always negative. Now see next. See this one. This one is the sixth question. 32,768. You have to take factors of this. Number is bigger, factors will come more, but don't worry, it will be easy. See, even number is there in the last. You have to start with 2. 2 ones are 2. Here remaining 1, 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 16. 2 8 are 16. And 2 4 are 8. Again 2. 2 8 are 16. 2 1 are 2. 2 9 are 18. 2 2 are 4. 2. 2 4 are 8. Then 0. 2 9 are 18. 2 6 are 12. Now, to reduce the numbers, directly you can use 4. Because one step will get reduced. 4 1s are 4. 0. 4 2s are 8. 4 4s are 16. 4. 4 2s are 8. Remaining 2. 4 5s are 20. Then 4 6 are 24. Again 4. 4 6 are 24. Remaining 1. 16. 4 4 are 16. Again 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 6 are 24. 4 4 4s are 16. Then 4. 4 1s are 4. Now see how many groups you got. 3 times 2. 3 times 4. Again 3 times 4. So we will write here factors of this. 2 into 2 into 2. 4 into 4 into 4. Again 4 into 4 into 4. These 1, 2 and 3. So from this what we will do? 2 cube root of this. 2 into 4 into 4. It is equal to 32. So cube root of this number is 32. Now we'll go to next question. See, question number 2. Simplify. It is in fraction form. See, first one, 27. 27 divided by 125. Cube root of 27 by 125. So, you know that the number 27 cube of 3 it is. So, you can write 3 into 3 into 3. Down 125 it is cube of 5. So, cube root will be like this. So, you have to take cube root of 27 upon 125. It is equal to 3 upon 5. 3 times number is there. 1 time only you have to take out. Finished. Then second one. See here 16 and 54. Now 16 is not the cube of any number. Even 54 also is not the cube of any number. So how we can find out cube root? So see, you can divide this both the numbers by 2 first. So 8 2s are 16 it is. So 8 into 2 you can split it. Then 27 multiplied by 2, it is 54. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is 8 upon 27. So 8 is cube of 2 into 2 into 2. 27, 3 into 3 into 3. So answer for this is 2 by 3. Now see third one. If cube root of 729 is 9, means cube of 9 is 729. So you have to find out cube root of 0.000729. So how will you solve this? First we will simplify this by removing this digits. So it will be easy. So up will be 729. And how many after decimal point, how many digits are there? We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If down we will take zeros, then the decimal point you can remove. Now see here. In this group of 100, 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Means 100 into 100 into 100. So, and 729 is the, it is given. 9 into 9 into 9. And down 100 into 100 into 100. It is under cube root. Now it is equal to 1 9 from this 3 9. Then 100. Then to give the decimal points, 2 zeros are there, therefore 0.09. So answer for this, cube root of 0.000729 is equal to 0.09. Okay, second question fully I have solved because all three questions was different. Now you have to just complete this all the set in your book and study well. Thank you.